One such cherished memory of our beloved master. Introducing the Aparesh Legacy Quest. It invites us to participate, contribute, and carry forward a legacy of purpose. And to guide us through this meaningful and exciting quest, we have two dynamic facilitators. One from the east, the Kolkata chapter, and other from the west, the Mumbai chapter. Both are trained and very close to our mentor, late Aparesh. To take the session forward, let's put our hands and hearts together to welcome the charismatic Miltonian Manbir Kaur Chapal and the purpose-driven Miltonian Uday Karelia.
Good afternoon, my dear Miltonians. We are so privileged here, aren't we, Uday? That we are standing here
Absolutely.
this afternoon in front of you all. And what better than speaking about our dear Aparesh? The Aparesh Legacy Quest is going to recreate the huge force that Aparesh steered with the milk movement when he started it and brought it from training to our social projects. Today, thousands of Miltonians live with pride and can swear by the legacy of this training legend. Isn't it true, my dear friends? Yes. Hasn't he really touched all our hearts? Yes. I here now invite my dear friend Uday and very warmly called Gujju by our dear mentor Aparesh to tell us a few things and experiences that he's had with Aparesh.
Thank you, Manbir.
Yeah.
And good evening to one and all. And I'm really privileged and honored to be part of this session because of the name, Aparesh Acharya. Manbir, for many years,
Yeah,
I had spoken to Aparesh on daily basis.
wonderful.
And he had given me a task to serve 5 new jokes every day.
My God, that's a tall task, Uday.
And it was, in the beginning, it was fine, but it became so painful for me because every day looking for 5 new jokes. And if I forget to call Aparesh, he would call me. And he would insist me that I must present those 5 jokes at that time. No matter where I was, sometime I would be with my customer, sometime I would be traveling, sometime I would be in a mess. But then I had to say. And those days I thought that maybe this is the Guru Dakshina that I'm giving to my Guru, like I was trying to oblige him. I was a fool. And after he passed away, I realized one thing, that actually he was obliging me. And he made me a person in the process that I could crack jokes in any situation. And that's what he made me. And because this was part of my daily living for last 1.5 years, since he has gone, I'm not able to find a substitute for it. A part of my daily living has gone. So I'm still looking for a substitution for that. Anyway, let me tell you one more thing. Once I was discussing with Aparesh that I was discussing his journey of social contribution when it began. And right from the time when the school was built. And I hear very interesting and inspiring stories about it. That our school building started in 1988 And with the help of few committed Miltonians like Dr. G.R. Ashok and others, we could complete in 1998. So 10 long years. And those days, no fund, nothing, lot of constraints. And then coming to Snehalayas, you know the same story. There was a struggle all around. And I asked Aparesh, this was the state of affair 20 years ago. And even after 20 years, you know, we are still battling with the problems. You know, still there's a shortage of fund. Still there are constraints, no teachers, nothing. So how do you feel? Aren't you feel disappointed? Aren't you feel frustrated at times, irritated? And Aparesh told me something, and I quote Aparesh. He said, "Sale, ये काम क्या मैं मेरे लिए कर रहा हूँ? अबे ये तो ऊपर वाले का काम है. My job was to start the moment." And let me tell you, both of us, we had a habit of talking in shairis in Hindi. Although none of us were good at it, but we used to talk in Hindi shairis. And in his typical shairi language, he said, मैं तो चला था अकेले, साथ में वो क्या बोलते हैं, कारवा बनता गया और ये मोमेंट बनता गया. And this is where I've reached. And you asked me about disappointment and frustration. Uday, it is only our ego gets disappointed. Our spirit never gets disappointed. So this was Aparesh. And today, my dear friends, before I hand it over to Manbir, we are going to have a session where, you know, the similar movement which is initiated by Pune chapter. And like when I and Manbir went through the process, I mean, really hats off to the organizers here, the way they have, I mean,
Yeah,
it will be
totally
revealed
privileged.
very soon.
Yes.
And we are starting this journey. And like Aparesh said, हम दोनों चले हैं and कारवा बनते जाएगा आप
चलता
लोगों के
जाएगा.
साथ. And I wish all of you will participate.
Yeah, we're looking for contributions and participations from each one of you here. Let me also share you a very touching moment that I faced in my visit to Shimultala. It was just after Aparesh was no more. His ashes were already done with in the flow of the river in Bangalore. But he desired that a few of his ashes be buried under a special tree in the very school that he saw the little children whom he wanted to feed at least a cup of milk and a piece of bun. That was his desire when he saw this school. It gave me such immense pleasure when Durai made the plan to go down. Accompanied by me was Vijay, and the three of us traveled together with his ashes. We went down there. We found the special tree. We went down and gave our reference to Aparesh there. My dear friends, his ashes may have flowed away in the waters, but today, if you still want to feel his presence there, please do visit Shimultala. Go down there, sit for a few minutes under the tree, and you can probably reconnect. That was my connect with him. And here we are, so privileged to the Pune chapter for giving us this honor of carrying on this afternoon forward. However, the kind of person Aparesh was, he was high, he was serious, extremely fun-loving and joyful at all times. So not taking too long,
Yeah,
I
think
think it's time that we
to
start,
explain
isn't
the
it?
drill.
Now you all are wondering what's going to happen,
Yeah.
right?
Right.
Okay.
So why don't you explain them the drill, the process?
The process of what's going to happen? Well, we're going to keep you engaged as long as we can, though the brochure reads 1 hour, but hopefully that we will be able to keep you all engaged. And don't you all run away from these halls, okay? This is something what we call as the all-pay auction. All right? So this is a contribution that y'all are going to take pride in. that you're going to feel great in coming up. We are having and playing a little game, aren't we, Uday?
So, Manbir,
Yeah.
let's tell them how different it is from the normal auction and all pay
Yeah,
auction.
sure. What happens in a normal auction, Uday?
So,
The price is put up, right?
Yeah.
It's put up for something, right?
it's something,
Yeah, okay, it's put up for something. And a start amount is given?
So here, the difference between normal auction and all pay auction will be that everyone bidding here, and let me tell you, this is not going to be a very big kind of bidding here. So this bidding will be only in the multiple of only in the amount of 500 rupees.
500,
That's
yeah.
all. So what happens, like if Ashok says 500 for, of course, we are bidding for something, and what is that something we are going to reveal very soon, and that's going to be a very priceless thing. So, like Ashok says, 500 rupees, and the minimum price, okay, let me tell you, starts with 2,000 rupees. So, the first bid will start at 2,500 rupees. So, for Ashok says 500 rupees. Before that, I must tell you, for next 1 hour, all of us will forget our names. You have no names. All of us are a number. All of
all
us
been
are a number. So
We are
please
all
check
numbers.
your number. We
No
have
names.
a unique number.
No names?
And let me also tell you, we are just not numbers, but we are special numbers.
Yes.
Okay. So all of us. So if Ashok has to raise his hand, Ashok, can you please check your number?
Yeah, you just have to call out your number.
So Ashok just says
411,
411,
and he
and the
puts his hand
bid amount stands at 2,500,
2,500.
and that price position, Ashok is holding that bid. The next person, Ajit, what's your number? How you will say? So you just raise your hand and say 413. So it becomes automatically 3,000.
3,000.
So difference here is that 3,000 plus 500 rupees.
You pay 2,500. He pays 3,000. The
Correct.
next guy pays 3,500. The next guy pays 4,000. The next guy pays 4,500. And we'd love to see how each of y'all contribute towards the social
in
projects
all pay auction.
created by
The simple
and
is-
conceived by our Pune chapter.
Right.
Yeah.
So is this clear
Is this clear with all of
with
you?
everyone?
या तो ये सब चाहिए ना मेरे को?
हाँ.
नहीं?
अरे मनबीर ये क्या है?
क्यों?
You know, we are talking about technology. This Pune chapter is displaying all and raising bar every day. And अभी भी
paper pen नहीं चाहिए क्या?
You are old Miltonian. ये सब पेपर नहीं चाहिए. छोड़ दो.
तो रख दूं क्या?
हाँ, रख दो.
तो क्या है हमारे पास?
नहीं, हमारे पास सब है.
जोशीले
And
computers
also,
हैं. Wow.
we will be only, coordinating, but all the records will be
Yeah.
recorded and preserved by
मतलब हिसाब किताब.
Hisab Kitab,
हाँ.
by our Joshile computers.
अरे वाह, जोशीले
So, Joshile
computers.
computers, see, you have on the screen
तो
already.
starting amount क्या है जोशीले computers? Is it कितना है? 2,000?
So, yeah.
2,000. It's going up in multiples
So
of
next bit
500.
is, so every time you say that this number, it is recorded there, and periodically we will show it on the screen also. This is going to be an interesting games, and let me tell you, you are not going to spend so
Yeah,
much.
we are
but it's
going to
going
make
to be
you
a
spend
game,
very little
and
amounts. It's not
and
much.
most important thing, Manbir,
Yeah.
please tell them that all amount generated will go to
Yeah.
will go to
We'll go to Shimultala
will go
School
to Shimultala.
via the Pune chapter who have conceived this afternoon's program and are looking for each one's contribution, and each one today is a winner here. Though we call it the all-pay auction,
All pay
but it is an all-pay contribution. Of course, there's a catch there. We also use the word auction. We'll come back to it later.
Later.
Yeah.
Yeah, so,
So,
are we
can we
ready? Any
start?
questions? Can we begin? Yeah.
Yeah. We said we're coming
Very-
back later.
Okay. Okay,
They
so
said
I
we're
think,
coming back
I think
later.
Manbir, we have to tell them a gist of it.
It's an item, right?
It's an item. Yeah.
Just an item. That's it today.
All right.
That's it.
So-
अरे contribution तो कीजिए. ऐसे थोड़ी है. इतना easy
So,
थोड़ी है.
okay.
क्यों? 2,500 रुपए, 3,000, Come on, I'm sure
Okay.
you've planned a budget
I'll
of at
come to
least
it, I'll come to it, don't worry.
50,000 in your pocket. नहीं 300 में नहीं
500
चलेगा.
होता है.
अच्छा 301. Okay, yeah, Raman, give it up for
Okay,
you.
at this moment-
301 Joshile computers at 2,500.
1 minute. Ha, go. I will, Ajit, yeah. Sorry,
I think
number.
people from the back, please give your bids.
413.
We'll keep these guys for the higher amounts. Come on, people from the back. Come on.
Manvir.
2. Okay. Venkatanathan there.
Number 312. 501. 415. 256. 207. 227. 235. 209.
606.
606. 326. 265. 340.
340.
Sorry?
248.
249.
249. 337.
337. 323. 504.
504. Yep. Any more?
Okay.
8 minutes.
212. Yeah. 607.
Okay. Uday, should we give them a breather or we just carry on?
Yeah. So let them scan.
हाँ,
Meanwhile, I'll tell you now. I'll थोड़ा बोलते रहूँगा क्या item है. See, one thing I can tell you. This is going to be a personalized souvenir by none other than our mentor Aparesh Acharya, and this is going to be a memory that you can cherish forever with you. And we will be unveiling this item gradually, and it will definitely, eventually, it will be unveiled fully.
And
have some patience.
Uday, I think we need to call on. We have 3 wonderful people present here
Okay.
with us in
So
this hall.
as both of us, we shared our story, how Aparesh
Yeah.
touched our lives, and I'm sure each person sitting in this room are touched by Aparesh. But
But we want
we
to
would like
call
to invite,
especially. He's
you
really
can-
contributed
please.
to millions. I mean, so many thousands. But we want to call 3 special people here today.
So
The upcoming and the budding lawyer, passed out from a prestigious MRS school. My privilege to call on Arvind.
Arvind, please come.
Yes, Arvind. We'd like to hear from you.
Best of evenings to one and all present here. Okay. I thought yesterday auntie told you had to talk, so I'm going to share something. There used to be a question that all of us ask, I'm sure, that what makes a person immortal? Particularly the person whom we love never really leave us, they tell us. Now when it comes to Aparesh uncle, I have one incident which I will carry to my grave that happened. When I reached from Snehalya to Milt, I was 11 or 10 years old, not more than this, youngest there. And I was a kid, very naughty, so I would sit down every day. Now, those of us who don't understand the context of what sit down means, I'll elaborate. Now, in Milt, the only punishment that could be given was you would have to sit down. As in the lunch hour, you won't get your non-veg. Instead, there was a room, sitting down room we called it. There you would have to sit and eat. Now, uncle, this was the time, we were particularly the last of batches in which uncle was active and he visited school. He stayed with us for 1 year or so. So he would see every day I'm sitting down there. And every day uncle would see, it was his job to come inspect who is sitting down today. And something, came over him, and he took a particular interest in me. At first, it started by, uncle's office is here. Next only to it was our classroom, 6th standard. He'd walk in, and he would give me chocolates. It started on that note. Then one day, in prayer hall, before everybody, he's a very brilliant boy, and I'm giving you a challenge, he said. For the next 30 days, for just a month, don't sit down. And he asked me, do you accept the challenge? I said, yes, uncle. And now I tried my best. Believe it or not, this is not exaggeration. 30th day, 1:30 is the lunch hour in Milt. 30th day, 1:15, 15 days prior to the lunch hour, I was caught sleeping by Partho sir. I begged him, sir, don't do this. I will sit down tomorrow. Since the 30th day, let me have my lunch. Spare me for today. Tomorrow, postpone the punishment. But sir told me one thing. What do you think? When he gave you the punishment, when he gave you the challenge, I was the silent contender in it. It was not just a challenge to you, it was to me. 30 days mein isko aap pakad ke batao. And I had to sit down. Now what happened after this? I will carry this with me forever. He turned entirely hostile towards me, uncle. He said, you are not a man of your words. And you know what? First time I heard the term hypocrite. I didn't know what it meant as well. And he became completely hostile towards me. You are not a man, you can't keep your words. And he told me one thing, that you don't make a promise easily. And once you have made, you have to deliver it scrupulously. And that thing I'll always carry with me. Man of words. What makes a man is his words. Even today, one thing I've carried with me is, I don't make promises easily. But if I do, I try my best to deliver it. This
Very
is
nice.
something
Thank you.
I carried with me. Thank you.
Thank you. And okay, so here is a display. Now you can see these are the top bidders, but let me tell you, there is a twist in this. So twist in the sense
ट्विस्ट
that
अभी बता दोगे यार नहीं यार उदय थोड़ा
अरे
सा
बोल
नहीं
बता दो।
ए
अच्छा
और
ठीक है चलो
और दो चार और दो
Okay,
चार
ऐसा है
Come on.
so
इतना
when
जल्दी
you-
नहीं
when you have twist, so why I am saying this,
हाँ.
like we used to experience this when we had to deal with Aparesh. There was always a twist. So I am just trying to tell them that हमारा जोशीला
बस
कंप्यूटर के
उतना ही
अंदर
बताओ
अपरेश
उदय
अपरेश आ गया है अभी हमारा जोशीला
बस, बस।
कंप्यूटर के अंदर
थोड़े
अपरेश-
से और प्लीज वी रिक्वेस्ट सम मोर नंबर्स सम मोर ऑफ दीस टैग्स फ्रॉम कम
Okay.
ऑन 101
101, yeah.
okay we'll wait
103.
all right 227
227.
Okay.
Acha, you can, those who have
Yeah,
bidded
you can-
earlier, they can also
again
participate
once again
again.
yeah you're most
Oh,
welcome you're most welcome to call 501
501.
thank you but
Thank
not
you.
enough as yet yes a little more for the
Anybody?
Pune chapter come
Yeah,
on
Ganesh.
A little-
412.
come on one more
Come on, guys.
417
417. Yeah, 2 minutes. Any more?
okay
Okay, then probably
yeah
you can
we
call
have
one more boy.
I told you there were 3 right we have yet another successful person amongst us an entrepreneur today passed out from our prestigious MRS school my privilege to call on Manjunath
There was a word I heard in, I think, one of the social projects. Say supporting underprivileged. So Snehalaya was started in Bangalore in 91. I think it was, till I came to Snehalaya, I was underprivileged. After I came to Snehalaya, I was privileged. So, I have one question to all of you here. How many of you have celebrated your birthday with your fathers? Please lift your hand. I have celebrated my birthday since the age of 4 till I became adult with my father Aparesh Acharya
Wow.
on 1st August. He always said one thing, that is, always stay true to yourself. So when we were in class 7, when we went to MRS, he taught us a poem, The Man in the Glass.
Guy in the-
Guy in the glass, the man in the glass. Okay, now I am a man, so I call it my man in the glass. So he said, it is irrespective of all the influence that you get outside. Until unless it comes to you and you analyze it and feels it, yes, it is correct, then only you believe it and do it. He said this in class 7 when we first went to the prayer hall. He said, whatever I say, you only hear it. Allow your intellect to test it. Then only if you follow and then follow it, then it is life. He said, always lead the life of a conviction and not through condition. So I believe I am still doing it and hope continuing to do it. Thank you.
Yeah. That's a. My goodness. So that was the hallmark of a man, isn't it? That he made the many of us who were close to Aparesh, and he made each one of us feel special, isn't it? Don't you all agree? Each one of us on one-to-one basis, he made us.
नहीं, here I want to differ with you,
Yeah.
Uday.
Okay.
क्योंकि मेरे को जब मिलता था वो था ब्यूटीफुल. मैं इधर पलटी, प्रीति को बोला you're beautiful.
So that's what
अगर उधर पलटी, उसको बोला beautiful. All the women were beautiful for him, right?
So he made.
But
that's
that
what I
was
said.
Aparesh.
Everyone
Making you feel special
I
always.
remember when he invited me to his house, and he served me. All of us, we know that he was the best bartender of the world. He would make cocktails like anything, and he took 45 minutes, that too in the night, 11 o'clock, to prepare a cocktail for me. And I was like shocked. And he served me the cocktail. And I started drinking, and immediately 10 गाली दिया. भांचोद साला मुंबई का घाटी दारू पीने को भी नहीं आता है. मैं 45 मिनट लगाया और तू ऐसा ही घटक जाएगा. So that was, and he actually taught me how to drink.
And
that was a
मेरे
hallmark
साथ
of-
क्या हुआ पता है उदय? He came to know this Sardarni likes fish. He couldn't believe it first. He thought they were only chicken and things like that. He said, to Sardarni, okay, you like fish? I said, I just love it. And in the jovialness of it, but there was a serious element. One afternoon, he gives Jagir a call and says, I hope you're going to be free this afternoon because I'd like to invite you and Manbir to this 5-star property for a lunch with me with fish. We looked at each other. We thought we are not even dressed like that. He's taking us to a 5-star. We told him, but we have to go home and change our. No, you just come along. Okay, where do we have to reach? Now we expected to hear Taj. We expected to hear ITC. But he took us down Free School Street. And there was this chota sa restaurant. It says Prince Bangladeshi Restaurant, where all the Bangladeshi people come. My Calcuttan friends would relate where it is. And all of them would come, sit in those very ordinary tables where the person in front of you also couldn't keep his plate straight. Uska plate, mera plate touch ho raha hai. Par humko baithna hai aamne samne. Come on, he will order. Get me the best kach ki mach. And that was something new to me. So he introduced fish, but he definitely satiated me that afternoon in this 5-star. So such a kind of a personality was Aparesh amongst us.
So
This is the little bit that we can do for him, right?
right.
Come on, more numbers,
Come on,
please.
let's go ahead. Anybody? Again, so this is the third round. So
Yes. Number 9? 119?
119.
Okay, 119.
Right.
Any
So
more?
those who are from, where is our Rajendra Parikh ji? Where are you?
हाँ?
आपका आवाज सुनने के लिए तरस गए सर. 309. Right?
Yeah, 309.
Okay, 309.
My
Right.
dear Lux.
404. Mahendra.
Vikas Bajaj ji.
205.
Vikas Bajaj ji.
Vikas, where are you? 313 technical winner, Pooja. So we have many more technical winners here.
Anirban, once again. Done.
229.
Okay, 229. All right. We have yet amongst us one more personality from the Milt School.
346.
Okay. He is studying very hard and putting his full effort to complete his CA. At present, he is giving all his exams as and when he can. My privilege to call on our smart gymmer boy, Lokesh.
Lokesh.
Come along.
Yeah, name the first.
Thank you for the opportunity. Hello, everyone. As Arvind said, I too was a very naughty kid. It was in the year 2013 that I went to school, and the very first incident that I had was during the sports time. He saw me with the broken string badminton racket, and the very first thing that he said the next day in the prayer hall was, "If you break the racket, I'm going to break your head." This thing broke something in me that day. It is not my respect towards him. It was the carelessness that I would develop from that. And that day, I learned respect for things, my discipline, and towards life. This was one incident. And over the next 1 year, he keenly observed me. And one day during the leadership class that I was undergoing, he called me up. He said, "Lokesh, I've keenly observed you. You play really good basketball, and I want you to develop from there." And then the very next year, he observed my education for the 3 years. And he said, "I see that you're topping your class every time. I want you to be the best again and again." This thing ingrained those values in me. And now, when I wake up in the morning, the only thing that runs in my head is the acronym that was put in the prayer hall. You gotta believe in yourself. And when I wake up, I tell myself that today is going to be my yesterday's plus plus. And Break Free Convention was my first convention. And just before I attend the convention, I had the opportunity to visit Apresh Uncle along with other MRS boys. And I asked him, "Uncle, how are you?" And he said, it was so profound, and he said, "Breathing." It was just one simple word. And then just before I leave, I again asked him, "Is there anything that you want to tell us or any advice that you would like to give to us?" He said, "Breathe well." So these were the last few words that I had. Breathe well. So these were the last few words that I had, and I always will cherish these words. Thank you. And
Lovely.
sorry. And I would like to thank all Miltonians. It was because of him that you all came together, and it is him acting through all of you who made me what I am today. And Arvind too wanted to thank two wonderful Miltonians, Venkatnathan uncle and Hariharan uncle. And I would like to thank Durai uncle especially, and all the Miltonians equally. Thank you. We are really grateful for this.
Wonderful.
Thank you, Lokesh.
Thank you.
This guy really emotionally touched us once again when he said his last moments with Operash. So I guess this platform here, Uday, is wherein we are celebrating with each other. We are enjoying the last 3 days together. We've become such a strong bond together. It's because of that one common man,
yeah.
our dear mentor, Operash. So let's give a loud applause to
Yeah,
our
he
dear
is the reason why we are here. All right. So,
Another round of applause for our Pune chapter who conceived this beautiful event.
Yeah. So Manbir,
Yeah.
I think
अभी
it's time
तो
at least कुछ
वो auction वाली
that
बात-
souvenir they should know what
वो
they are
auction वाली
auctioning
बात,
for.
right?
So at least एक झलक तो बनता है.
Yeah. तो ट्विस्ट भी फिर आएगा बाद में.
Can we have one झलक of the priceless
Item.
thing that
Oh,
we are
wow.
offering?
What is this? It's an item. Okay. Okay. The item is a portrait.
Right.
Right? A portrait. But it's just a portrait, isn't it? Yeah, it is. So far it is. Yes.
It is just not the portrait because
Yeah,
why
yeah,
the
yeah.
reason why
Hold on. Uday, फिर आप बोलने लगते हो.
okay no
Uday
I'm
is
not
too wanting to. Come on, Uday. We need a little more. Come on. और पैसा चाहिए. Mulas on the way.
so,
One or two more. One or two more dilwale. Come on.
no Manbir
हाँ.
see they must be thinking this is just because वो दिखाया
ओ
but
झट दिखला
but you
जा हो
have
गया.
to tell them you have to tell them
वो
the
तो बाद
rest
में. अरे
every part of the
अरे
झलक
again you're
is,
revealing.
is going to add something more that's what I'm telling.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine. He's still
Right.
got a secret up his sleeve.
Okay, can we have numbers? I mean, yeah, please.
Number 339.
339.
Thanks.
339.
Thanks. Come on.
Manbir.
339.
मनबीर कलकत्ता चैप्टर आ गया मुंबई आ गया
हाँ।
बेंगलोर का कुछ सुना ही नहीं दिया मुझे
नहीं सुनाई दिया. कहाँ है बैंगलोर वाला?
बेंगलोर में
शिवदेव.
हाँ, शिवदेव।
227. All right. Okay. और कहाँ है बैंगलोर वाला?
राजेश बाबू है क्या
राजेश बाबू के नाम पर दुराई आप बोल दीजिए राजेश बाबू का नंबर क्या है जोशीले कंप्यूटर. We can do some cheating, na? There? Can we?
can.
No, we can't.
ओ सत्संग में बाद में एग्री कर लेंगे कन्फेस कर
ऐसा करेंगे and फिर हो जाएगा. अच्छा.
राइट
हाँ?
एंड
खुद भी अपना नंबर.
अरुणा गिरी यू कैन
आप
टेक
मुझे
पार्ट
मारवाड़ी
अगेन
बात. हाँ?
No, see, we have come here, so we are already right. And Arunagiri, you can take part again. So there is no restriction on that. So come on, friends. On a serious note, this is going. Sorry, 205. 205. So of course, on a serious note, the entire proceedings are going to go to Shimultala.
Yeah.
So be
उदय क्या
generous.
सेकंड पार्ट खोले?
राइट
लगता है।
सो अभी एक ट्विस्ट के बारे में बताना है इनको
किसके बारे में?
ट्विस्ट के बारे में
नहीं अभी थोड़ी.
अच्छा,
अभी नहीं. बाद में बताएंगे ट्विस्ट के बारे में.
ये सरदार ने
अभी भी
मुझे-
ट्विस्ट है. अभी
ये
भी
सरदार
ट्विस्ट
ने
है.
मुझे बोलने नहीं
This
देगी
is just
ज्यादा।
not the portrait. It's just not a portrait. अभी भी ट्विस्ट है. So if you can bid one more and then okay, Joshile computer, one more open fold.
Right.
Okay.
This is the
All right.
second part which was unveiled.
Yeah, but अभी भी ट्विस्ट बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
The twist will be in the last part.
Okay. So some more bids yet to come up, please. And each one of you is a contributor here this afternoon. We recognize each one of you. We are thankful to each of you because you are very much present in the hall, being participative in this event, so nicely organized and conceived by the Pune chapter.
Yeah, this has been maintained so well. I mean,
Yeah.
really,
So we are looking for at least another. Yes.
Yeah.
3,
4, 6.
3,
Lovely.
4, 6. Okay. I think I'm wondering whether I should attack my dear hubby.
Anyone?
You've already done once. Can I attack you again?
So,
Attack myself? All right. 3 to 4.
101.
Okay, 3 to 4. After that, 101.
101. So, Deepu, I thought you stood up and you're showing your number.
Oh yeah, how can we miss our Singaporeans? Come on. My goodness. यार अच्छा पकड़ा आपने. Yes.
बोल दे,
The
बोल दे
Bharani
अभी।
clan 1, 2 and 3. Uh-huh.
See, I think the bid has only reached up to 22,000, yeah.
That's it.
That's it.
बस इतना ही आहा सिर्फ उतना
Right.
sad यार hey this portrait is much more worth it यार come on
Yeah.
ऐसे थोड़ी है ऐसे थोड़ी है come on we told you there's a twist to it we told you there's a
So
twist to
anybody?
it. Yes
Oh, yeah, Bharani,
Bharani
बोल
I
ना.
heard your number I think I heard your number Bharani I did hear
604.
all right
Chalo,
604
So, just for our information, organizers, just
Okay.
how many rounds we had so far? Can anyone tell us?
How many?
32. 42 rounds.
42. Okay, 42
Good, good.
rounds. All right.
All right.
okay, okay. That's great. What should we target? अच्छा एक और खोलते हैं
हाँ, एक और
एक और चलिए
खोल दो,
जशीले
the third
कंप्यूटर
part.
एक और Okay. There we have the portrait of our mentor. But yet there is a special twist to it. Somebody is, okay, let us tell them about the twist. That somebody is definitely going to get the portrait, and you think it is the guy who said the last, right? No, right? Yeah. So that's not it. It's not that the last guy who bids gets it.
Right.
Our Joshile computer is adding the number of times the numbers are adding up. So that is going to be the highest
Final.
bidder. And he's
Cumulative.
going to get that special portrait. But that portrait yet has a twist. Yet there is something special about it. Isn't it, Uday?
Yeah, absolutely.
क्या
So, you
एक
want...
दो और हो जाए फिर बताते हैं क्या है
फिर बता.
थोड़ा सा और बढ़ाइए प्लीज और we require more numbers. It's very little amount, not much for this afternoon, for the 3 days that you have spent here, for the
So,
camaraderie
yeah.
that you have, for the platform that you have. Let me share with you all my notanki which I did was possible only because of the Milt platform. Probably I had that madness in me, but it would have never come out anywhere in any platform until unless, of course, we all joined Milt. So in each way, we have all been contributed
Right.
by this
absolutely.
movement, and thanks to our mentor.
So, Manbir,
Yeah.
anyone from Milt, our Miltonian fraternity, anyone would like to come and share their personal incident, how Aparesh touched his
Yes,
life? Durai,
okay, yeah.
Can we have Durai, please?
Yeah.
I was at the peak of my professional career. Aparesh was indicating to me that I have to take up more responsibilities in Milt. I foolishly agreed. But the commitments, the demands he put on me was practically not possible to adhere to whatever his expectation was. He told, if you are going to take over Shamuntala school, whenever I am going, you should come with me. And how many days? If he goes for puja holidays, he'll be there. The entire teachers, students teachers will go off for the holidays. Only the students will be there. Aparesh used to be the one singular caretaker with the kitchen staff. Not 1 year, or 2 years, or 3 years. It was more than a journey of 6 or 7 years. We used to travel with him from Bangalore, be there for the entire puja holidays. We used to have a great time together, spending time with the children, conducting speech competitions every day for the children, and ensuring that 4 p.m. we are sitting near the basketball ground for the children to play the games. he was very, very cautiously and methodologically was transferring the responsibility over a period of time. It was very, very tough, leaving my entire business organizations and lack of very limited communication those years between 2010 to 2020. And initially it was one time. As time increased multiple times, I had gone with him, and that's how I understood him better and better. And the transfer of his life learnings he grilled in me was phenomenal. We started reflecting in my life. I started really blossoming on all dimensions of my life.
Thank you, Durai. Yes,
Yeah.
Siddharth. Bolo.
So I think, Manvir, it's time to show the leaders board.
Yeah, of
So,
course it is. You're
and,
definitely.
and the total amount collected so far.
Yes.
And the
So that
twist.
we can appreciate.
So, and the twist we'll tell later. So,
Yes.
organizers, please, can we have leaders board,
Yes,
board and
Joshile Computers.
Joshile Computer ji?
And the total amount collected. The total amount so far. Okay, he's still. All right. We have the top 5 bidders.
The top 5 bidders are in front of you, 1, 2, 3, 5. And
So-
yeah, that's the leaderboard. Okay, so here, the rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, rank 4, and rank 5 is given on the total contribution. But if you see on the previous board, where you may have the rank 5 on the top and rank 1, 2 at the bottom also. So the ultimately twist is that. So ultimately the winning bidder would be the one who has contributed maximum. Okay, so I think it's time to
To
reveal
show
now.
the portrait again.
Yeah, portrait.
Okay, so we'll have the portrait again.
Can we have
back-
the portrait again? We will unveil
Yes.
the portrait fully.
And there,
And there it is.
the twist in the whole portrait is that this has been signed by Operesh himself.
This is signed by
This
Aparej.
is signed. So
So
very
whoever-
much live before we lost him. He's had this portrait in his hands and he's put his signature on it.
on it.
So this portrait is there for you to take home.
346.
Lovely. Yeah. So I guess when it has been revealed, if we have any more bidders who
So
want to still aim
walk
for
away with
bidding
this
for the
wonderful,
portrait
portrait.
with Operation's signature on it. Yes. Yeah. As Rajesh Babu and Chaitanya walked in, where's
Chaitanya.
Rajesh Babu? आपने अपना नंबर ही नहीं बोला, हमको भूल गए आप. ये तो ब्लैकमेल हुआ. नहीं. I leave it to you.
So Nagpal ji can share. Is he here?
No.
Yeah, share that it is painted by. So there is a query. This portrait is painted by whom?
I think this was at the Bangalore convention. And for the fundraising activity, it was auctioned online. A painting was Ramesh. So fortunately, I was fortunate to bid the highest and I got that. And because I liked the portrait to a large extent, I also appreciated the painter by giving additional money. And as luck would have it, I didn't get the portrait after the convention. and I got it after quite some time. It got, I think, misplaced there. And it was found by Graha Durai. And I told Durai, Durai, if you can please get this portrait signed from Aparesh. And that is how the signature came into that. And I preserved it knowing fully well that it has got a very large emotional value. And people who really appreciate and consider Aparesh as a master, as a leader, and a father will really appreciate this portrait to be in the possession. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Nagpalji. And I have one more request. Can I invite Miltonian Barney to please come on the dais and share his experience with Aparesh?
Aparesh used to call me dark, ugly fellow, right? And I still remember I did the MILT course in 87 and I moved to Bombay. And then Aparesh came to Bombay to do the MILT course. I used to travel from Pune every Sunday to attend the Sunday morning class. Saturday I used to go to Srikant's house, stay, attend the Sunday morning class and then come back. During those days, Aparesh used to share all his experiences whenever I met him, right? He used to talk about exotic places. He used to talk about what he did in Germany, what he did in Netherlands, what he did in Japan, all those places. You know well, Aparesh, how well he traveled. But those were all a good motivation for me. Destiny would have it that I finally landed in a role where I was traveling across the world. And I visited most of these places that he mentioned in his talks or in his experience, right? One such experience was me and Rashekar Rao, another Miltonian, we were in Germany. So he said, Barney, let's go to that Alexander Strasse that Aparesh mentioned, right? Next, close to the train station, Frankfurt train station. And it was exactly like how he described and the entire atmosphere, etc. So this kind of motivation and that, I don't know how he implanted this in my mind, but it always stayed with me. And I owe all my growth to Aparesh. He always says a few words, right? For me, Aparesh is, rest is not.
Wow. Thank you.
Yeah, so we have the final item here
Yeah.
for the auction and the last bid amount. And what's the total amount collected, Joshile team? That we will, should we reveal now?
Yeah, you
Uday?
can,
Uday, should we reveal the total amount now?
yeah.
Total?
Correct.
और एक और bid किसी और को?
So,
Last minute, because once we bid it finally, and then the top
103, the final bid. The final, come on.
Final bid 103. Suraj
Suraj Jagdale.
Dale. Okay. Anybody else? Yet we can. Yet we can. It's just reached 24,000. I'm sure
Yeah.
somebody's come with 50,000 in his
Yeah,
pocket.
we would have anticipated minimum 50,000. I mean,
Yeah.
in the end, we will have at least 50,000.
Yes.
So, anyone, the final moments. Number?
What's your number?
Was you have to say the number,
Just tell your ID number. Please.
ID number.
223.
Final number.
223.
223, sorry. 223.
223. All right. Okay. No, this doesn't look good, right? It got to go to 25, a little more.
Yeah.
25 से थोड़ा और ज़्यादा.
25 next bid, yeah.
Yeah.
So at least we have
Yeah.
complete 25.
Yes, Durga Prasad, what's your number, please?
327
आपका?
108 608.
608.
Sorry. 608.
327 608. Okay. Any more? Any more contributors?
Come on.
Yeah. क्या उदय?
Okay.
हाँ बाकी तो है, बाकी है,
तुम भी बाकी है ना, दे दो.
बाकी है.
101, Tushar.
101, all right. So Tapa, once again.
She wants to be. You
Yeah.
can write her name because she's been there.
Uday, should I?
Don't be shy.
Should,
Don't be shy.
should
Don't
I?
be
Should I
shy.
trouble you, Uday?
Yeah.
trouble
you
Uday?
can- You can write my name last but not the least, 418.
Lovely. Okay. All right. महेंद्र जी, आपका नंबर जी. हाँ जी. I couldn't get you. Yes, yes, once again, एकदम. Thrice again, 5 बार. सब चलेगा. 205.
Yeah,
Yes.
please.
Yes, please. The knocker here. Come.
I had a very wonderful relationship with Aparesh. It was more of like Venkat was mentioning, love-hate relationship. And I have the privilege of hosting him for about 20 days in my house. After closing his JP Nagar residence and moving to Simaltola, he stayed with me. I was afraid, how can I meet the standards of Aparesh? You know all. But Aparesh is such a wonderful person, such a beautiful guest. We never felt that he made us very comfortable. He was like our head of the family. And he was liking our my wife's food very much. He used to call her Annapurneshwari, Mata. And every 6 months he used to come, even after going from my house also, every 6 months, whenever he's in Bangalore, he used to visit our home. And in the morning, as soon as he gets up, he takes charge of our kitchen. Morning breakfast he will prepare and he will serve for us. And he used to give tips for my son, who is good at football and all those things, because he's a vivid footballer and all. Once my son came from US and all, he wanted to see Aparesh uncle in our satsang. He was telling Aparesh. And when I was away, and then I asked Sanket what Aparesh uncle said. Aparesh uncle said that your father is a very good man, please take care of him. He's such a beautiful person. For my wife, he's like a father. Aparesh, I miss you.
So I think, Manvir, I
Yes.
think it's time to
Call on
give
the-
a big hand to all the
All of
contributors.
us. Yes,
and I
all
want
of us.
all of you to please
All of
give
us.
a big round of
Come
applause.
on, the applause
to
has
all
to
the
be
Wilsonians.
loud. Because we as a fraternity have really been very participative in this event. Come on, loud applause.
And also the organizers from Pune chapter, they have worked so hard. In fact, let me say a word or two about this team Pune. You know, this is their first convention, but we never felt that they are hosting for the first time. And
Okay, while we, Uday, reveal the final amount,
Yeah.
let's call on our Pune team.
so I would like to invite the organizing team.
Yeah, please.
Chairman,
Up.
Josh, Secretary General,
Suraj,
Suraj,
Vikram,
Pritesh, and Nagpal ji
Pritesh, Nagpalji, please
to come on the dais.
come on the
and,
dais.
And eventually
Give out
award
the final
the
collected amount.
portrait. And I would like
And
to
we could then unveil.
unveil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we could unveil and hand over to the
maybe
highest
we can
bidder.
get this in the center. And
Yes. Jashile Computers. Please give us the final amount collected this afternoon.
So, but before that, we have to say, now we'll find out who the winner is.
Yeah. We'll not
So first, we
amount
will.
collect-
Acha.
Okay.
So Suraj is asking.
Suraj is still hopeful.
Now,
He still
before
wants
we
the last
call out
call.
the winner and before we reveal the amount collected, any last takers?
Last takers.
Last call. 346. Give it a big hand to 346. Okay, Nagpal ji is saying last three, so this was the third last. Now we are waiting for second last.
We're waiting for it to touch a base of 30. All right.
So let's make it a round figure, take it to 30. So only we need 3 calls.
3 calls. Yes.
Okay,
3 calls.
come on.
Come on. Yes. An amount of
103. Sorry? 227. Okay, now the last call. Where are we? 29,500. Or we need 2 more. We need 2 more.
No,
No,
25.
we need
One
one
more.
more. Last.
one more. 2 more.
2 more. Yeah, okay. Current highest is
Oh, sorry, 2 more.
29.
101.
101.
Okay.
Now the last bid. And the last bid
one.
called by
By
number.
by number. Number.
By number.
Number.
Come on, guys.
Number. Number. Yes.
107.
Let's give a loud of applause to the closer of the bid.
And
107.
this is where the closer of the bid is, and you have the 207.
Sorry, it's 207. Abhi 107.
We have a saying, what is there in a name, but we can't apply that to what is there in a number because it makes.
Okay.
Okay,
So there we
Sridharanand
are.
Pali.
So now the Joshile computers.
So first we will reveal the total amount collected.
Yes.
So can
The total amount
you
collected
please
this
show the
afternoon.
total amount collected?
This afternoon is 9,40,500.
So we have 9,40,500 collected.
Woo! Come on, clap, 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 clap. The highest bidder
And
Goes-
the top 10 bidder and the winner.
yeah.
And the winner is in front of you. Give it a big round of applause to Miltonian Sanjay Mansukhani. Can we have Sunita also on the stage, please?
I have become emotional because I did this course by chance. Anurag Chidimar gifted it to me. I told him मैं रुपया दे के अपरेश का कोर्स नहीं करूँगा 2012 में. अनुराग बोला मैं तेरे को देता हूँ तो मेरे दम पे जाके करके आ फ्री में. So that is how the association started. It was a PEP program, Personality Empowerment Program. पहले दिन मेरे को सिंधी बुला रहा था और 3rd day तक मैं पंडित तक पहुंच गया था. Then he enticed me. नासिक का वो था convention. Sanjay, you can win a TP paper. Why don't you write a TP? Book your ticket for Nasik. हम अकेला बीबी बच्चों को छोड़ गए. They were vacationing in Agra and that belt. हम ट्रेन में धक्के खाते हुए पहुंचा नासिक. There were 3 guys waiting for me at that platform. रात को 11:30-12 बजे ट्रेन पहुंची. I was surprised. So one was Dr. G.R. Ashok. Second was our... No. Second was our Deepankar Da. And third was Shishir Da. Then they escorted me. एक ऑटो जुगाड़ा उन्होंने रात में करीब 12:30-1 बजे कहीं से, और हम लोग ऑटो में धक्के खाते हुए वहाँ पहुँचे. So I was a new Murga. So I was put up in an accommodation away. And the next day morning when I get up, our doctor G.R. Ashok, I mean, he can do anything. He somehow convinced me to take part in the 2 competitions. Talk to Get Action and Talk to Convince. And I had no idea about them. I was hearing these names for the first time. Breakfast हुआ, एक सुंदर लड़की के पास भेज दिया, बोला नाम लिखा ले. वाइट ड्रेस में थी, माइक्रो स्कर्ट में थी, मैं भी बंदर की तरह कूदता हुआ गया, नाम लिखा के आया. अच्छा, दोपहर में लंच हुआ, उसमें अनाउंसमेंट हुआ कि अब ये गेम्स, ये 2 कंपटीशन होंगी. तो कैजुअली परिमल वाज स्टैंडिंग नेक्स्ट टू मी. आई थिंक परिमल इज हियर. आई आस्क्ड हिम, भैया ये क्या है? बोला तूने नाम लिखाया है? मैंने कहा हाँ. तो स्विमिंग पूल के अराउंड चक्कर काटते हुए, द होल मिल्क टीम इज इनसाइड शाउटिंग, हॉलरिंग. Within 5 minutes he explained me the 2 competitions. यहाँ तक तो ठीक था. जब अंदर गया, नाम अनाउंस हुआ, इतना जोर से तालियां बज रही थी, I forgot everything he told me. Now when I sat there in the competitor's chair, the next guy sitting to me was Sridhar. I met him for the first time in my life. मैं पूछा, श्रीधर अभी कौन सा कंपटीशन होने वाला है जिसमें 3 क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं यस वाले, या जिसमें माय एडवाइस टू यू वो चल रहा है? He looked at me, बोले कहाँ से आया है? मैं बोला कैलकाटा से आया हूँ. He turned to Durai, was sitting next to him. वो दुरई को बोला, दुरई भी ऐसा आगे होके मेरे को देखा. किसी तरह वो 2 कंपटीशन हुए. जब मैं लौट के आया तो श्रीधर टेल्स मी, संजय एक चीज मानता हूँ. मैंने कहा क्या? बोला you were walking like a tiger on the stage. So that was my introduction to MILT, conventions and the whole paraphernalia. फिर उन्होंने क्या किया, पकड़ के मेरे को सेक्रेटरी बना दिया. आई वॉज सेक्रेटरी ऑफ द कैलकाटा चैप्टर फॉर 2 years. उसके बाद प्रेसिडेंट फॉर 3 years. उसके बाद कन्वेंशन का चेयरमैन, उसके बाद ट्रस्टी, फिर ट्रस्ट का चेयरमैन. तो आई हैव गॉन थ्रू अ सॉलिड ग्राइंड. And let me confess to all of you, that has been the best period of my life, which has given me a lot of values, a lot of understanding of men, life, and everything which is possible. And today, at the age of around about 60, I am a former cancer patient. I have a tumor inside my head. There's a big hernia cut in my abdomen. But nobody can tell that this guy is a survivor of cancer. People thought at the hospital that my wife has cancer and I have come there for her treatment. So that is the power of MILT, that is the power of inspiration, that is the power of good leadership. I think all of you also deserve an applause for this. Sorry? वो एक बार बेवकूफ मेरे को बना चुका है, ठीक है? Yeah, now Sunita would like to address you.
I just want to say one thing. Operesh, you are alive. Alive in each one's heart sitting here. There cannot be a better life than this. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Okay, we have something more special to be known about the painting. So I think Venkatanathan wants to say something more about the painting. Yeah.
You know, this painting is done by Ramesh, who grew up in Bangalore, Snehalaya. When he came to Snehalaya, nobody knew who his parents. He was an orphan child, abandoned child. I was the secretary, we all handled him. He would not even open his mouth. Somehow we went up to Simaltala. At 7th standard or so, Operesh said, "You are bad, send him back." He was thrown out, came to Bangalore. Grahadurai, I think Shivdev also, they all spoke to Mysore, JSS school, Mysore. They put him in a hostel there. During vacation, children have to vacate the hostel. He had no place to stay. Grahadurai used to accommodate him in his office. And he turned out to be a very good painter. Then first time I auctioned his paintings in the MILT Alumni Association. And then he took only 25% balance he gave to Snehalaya. Second time we auctioned in Chennai convention. That was the time I think he bid it. And that time, entire money he gave it. And today he's a painter, he's married, he has got a children. See the kindness of that boy. He's still poor, he's not that rich. But then again, it is the effect of Milt. That's what I want to share. Thank you for sharing this. Thank you.
So, I just want to say that past 2 days, we have been observing Milt icons, right? So, I felt today that each one of us sitting in this hall are Milt icons. And those who recognize here, they were just representatives of all. So I think each one of us
is an
deserves a
icon
big
in
round
their
of
own
applause.
way. Yes.
And lastly, I want to remind everyone that whatever you said has been recorded here, and you will have to pay for it.
Yeah, the scanner is present there. In that corner, the scanner is present there.
Scanner is there.
So please make your payments before you leave the hall.
And
we'll
like in
to
Milt,
do the honors.
we always had three
First,
winners.
let him give the
Yeah,
award to them.
okay.
Yeah. Yes, a big round of applause. Yes. एक मिनट नहीं नहीं अभी बाद में दे दे हाँ नहीं नहीं मैं पकड़ रखी हूँ Yeah.
Now, both Sunita and I would like to make an announcement. Sunita, can you come here, please? And can I request Durai, Jagir, and Danny to please come here? We heard Jagir say that we have two entities. One is the Milt Fraternity, and another are the Milt Trust. So I would like to give this on both our behalf to the Milt Fraternity. And in front of you all, we would like to hand it over to Durai, Jagir, and Danny. Yeah.
Yes, my dear, lovely contributors of this afternoon. You must have noticed the screen wherein we had the highest bidder and the award going to our dear friend Sanjay Mansukhani. Well, there was a second name there too. Whose was it? Tushar. Don't you think he deserves something else too? Does he? Yes. Come on,
And,
Uday.
See, in Milt, we have three winners.
Yeah, we always have three winners.
We always had three winners.
Yes.
So we have two winners. Anybody
we'd like
remembering
to-
who was the third?
Yes.
You are right. Shivdev. Where are you?
Yes.
Please,
Please.
come. Tushar, can we have you on the dais, please?
Yes, Tushar and Shivdev.
And
Okay, before we give away, we have our dear friend Rajesh Babu, who is behind all the construction in the Simultala school, and he has a few words to share.
Nothing to share, that we decided, I and Chaitanya has decided that Apresh Samadhi will be built by me and Chaitanya with our caste.
wow, that's a noble.
Designed by Vijay Bargotra will design, and from Bangalore, I also give my one or two designs, then we'll finalize and we'll do it. Thank you.
That's so nice of you. So nice.
Thank you so much. I think these are emotions pouring out, wherein we felt that we need that connect. And I think we are already, Vijay Bagrotra has shown us that beautiful design where he's completely architecturally made it really very beautiful. It's going to have a lovely shade of trees and a place to sit. This is what we are going to witness soon in the next 1-2 years.
All right. So,
I take this opportunity to just briefly recall my interaction with Operesh. Many of you perhaps know it. I run an advertising agency in Bangalore. Till I did Milt, I was not handling. After I did the course, Operesh got to know me. Then he called me one day to his house. He said, from now onwards, he already on some other established advertising agency was handling all the advertisements that he used to release for the MLC courses across India. So he said, you're going to handle it and you're going to do it in my terms. I had no choice. He was a new client. I took it and I really grew with it. He let me do all the copy. He gave me all the courage. He said, you write the script, I'll just text it. And he taught me the value of God is in details, because every comma, full stop, everything used to monitor it. I'm proud. We had a great association. Rekha and I have wonderful association with him. Okay? So I take this opportunity to congratulate Sanjay Mansakani and Tushar. Without meaning to outdo anybody, yesterday when Jagbir asked for the appeal, I made up my mind. My mother's turning 100 this July. So, hopefully, God willing. And the other day, I heard one gentleman in Sangar, I think, in Chennai, giving 75 lakhs for his 75th birthday. But I'm not such a big man. I would like to make my contribution is 69,500. I'm making an announcement that my contribution will be 1 lakh for the school. I'm raising another 31,500. So this is
a big round of applause
in my memory to commemorate my mother's journey to 100th birthday. Thank you.
Thank you. Just hold on. Just wait. For the next bidders, for next 2 highest bidders, we are also presenting to them a specially thumb imprinted coins of Operesh. It's a silver coin, so I would request the top bidders. Can we have the top bidder? So the next top bidder was Tushar Parak and Shivdev. Yes. So we had 2 coins, and these are getting presented to them.
Swati Parak on the dais, please. Yeah. Come here. So thank you one and all for wonderful participation, and those who have contributed, their names are recorded. As I said, the list is there at the table. You can check the amount against your name.
And apologies if we have crossed our boundaries.
Yeah. So thank you all of us. We
Thank
sign
you.
off.
Thank you so much.